zitere gị ozi a ka ị nwee ike helpụ m tụsara m ozi a. Afa m bụ Zubi. On the 29th of this December, I was kidnapped in Igboukwu along Ezinifite Road around 7:15 p.m. So the thing happens this way that I came back. I decided to go and see the girl I intend to get married to. She's from Igboukwu. So after seeing her, and she decided to see me off. So when we were going, I decided to take the normal road, and she asked me not to take that road. Much traffic can be on the road right there. So I said okay, and she showed me there's a shortcut that she showed me that we should go that way, and we took that road. And after 2 to 5 minutes that we just entered the shortcut, I was blocked. So 4 boys just came down from a small car. I think that car is Corolla, if I'm mistaken, and just pull out gun. They say if I run, they will shoot me. I get down, and they put me behind the back of the car, and you remove my shirt and tie my eyes, and ask the girl to get down. So they drove off. They were running around. I think they drove off along Ezinifite Road. They were passing around, you know. After they took me to a destination where the car stopped, and where the car stopped inside the bush, they have to hold my hands, and would take about, let's say, 1 hour trekking distance inside the bush. After reaching there, they have to ask me to lie down there and ask me if I decide to make any move, they will kill me. So I was there trying to beg them that I don't have money. They say if I don't have money, they'll have to cut my prick, and they will cut my lips and my tongue. So I was there begging them. So I have to call my sister. They first of all asked me, because I have some app in my phone where I trade my Bitcoin and all. They asked me to open. I should put my password and all. I log in my password. They start withdrawing money from there. Then they asked me to pay the sum of 25 million naira. I told them that I have not seen that type of money. And so they caught me together with my ATM card and all that. So after they asked me to give them the PIN number of the ATM, I give them the PIN number. The following day, they went out and started taking money from the account. Then after I begged them, they stopped at 5 million that I have to pay the ransom of 5 million. And I started talking to my sister. They run around the money and get the 5 million naira. So that's how they brought the money, you know, and give to them. But these people, they are not afraid, you know. Even after 3 days, the day they're supposed to bring me out and collect the ransom, you know, they ask the person that is bringing the ransom to come between Ezinifite and the Abia to wait for them right there around 4:30. Later again, they call the person to come out to Igboukwu around 7, like that, 7 to 8. Then getting to Igboukwu, because my eyes was closed that very day. Reaching to Igboukwu again, the person number that was supposed to bring the ransom is no longer going. And so they bring me down, trying to kill me. I said, don't kill me, because I don't know, maybe the person, this thing just went off. So they stopped another person. That guy is from Umuchu. To that Igboukwu, they blocked them with my own car again. The Mercedes Formatic. They stopped the guy. They put the guy inside the boot together with me right there, and took us back to the camp again. So right there. So the following day now, I have to bring the money to them between Ezinifite and Oga. That's where they brought the money, and they took the 5 million naira, and they get away with the car, my Bitcoin, and the money. Everything have gone. Please, I never know that this situation is, I don't, right now as I'm talking to you, I'm very much confused. I don't even know what to do. Because these people, they are walking freely. We don't have no security here. If there is any way this thing can get to to our government, to Soludo, let them deploy army between Ezinifite, Oga, Igboukwu. Because these people, they are operating between 6, 7, and 8 in the night. At least if they don't want to have a road block there, let the army patrol begin to patrol around that time, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the time they are loading. Once they see you with big car, they will double cross you and get the person. You see? So I'm very much confused now. Please, I'm begging you, Uncle IB, if there is any way you can help me to broadcast this news so it will reach to our dear governor. Because as I'm talking to you, these people are randomly kidnapping people every 30 minutes, every 1 hour. They are taking people. And for me, if you ask me, I will tell you that these guys, they are not, I know that they are not, if they are not in Ezinifite, they will be in Unubi or Ekuru or Igboukwu or Oga, just within, or Ekuru, just within this community, within this local government, I can assure you. And this security, all this AVG, they are not working. They just be running up and down, But these guys, they are there. Let them start checking every car around, starting from 4 p.m. Every car they see on the road, let them stop the car. Let them stop the car. And the other one have, I think they have shot him before on the reg or something like that. They shot him on the reg before. So he's walking with one leg, just be walking with one leg, Onye nke a na-atọ ụkwụ, ọ bụrụ na ha ga-enwe ike like 4, 5, 6 like that. Any private car you see, any commercial bus you see, stop them and search them. All these things or even along Ekuru, Nobi, or Ketiti, along this side. This side is very much dangerous. I could not imagine what's happening to me right now. Please, thank you, sir. I'll not be able to explain all that have happened to me. They have both Olako inside the bush and all this, They have so many juju. They are doing a lot of things there. Please, let this message reach to our dear governor. This is really, I'm so much in pain, but what can I do? It's only God that will bear my body.